Hello my dear, welcome here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful ball and crystal flower garden bracelet at home. Please watch the video full. I hope you will understand the technique well. I am using here pink and green beads. You can use your favorite color. Please consider like and subscribe for more jewelry making videos like this. Now take 160 cm long thread for 6-inch bracelet. Now pick up 7-11 of gold beads and clasp. Now tie a few secure knots here. Now step up through the next 4 beads. Now you can cut off the extra tail thread or you can trim it later. Now pick up 1 green, 1 gold, 1 pink, 1 gold, 1 pink, 1 gold, 1 green. Now pass through the previous 1 gold beads in the top. Now we have to reach the top gold beads through 1 green, 1 gold, 1 pink, 1 gold. Now pick up 1 pink, 1 gold, 1 pearl, 1 gold, 1 pearl, 1 gold and 1 pink. Now pass through the previous 1 gold bead in the middle. Now pass through the next pink bead. Now pick up 1 11 of gold, 1 green, 1 gold. Now step down to the next pink bead. Now pass through this 1 pink bead. Pick up 1 gold, 1 green and 1 gold and pass through this pink bead. Now we have to reach the top 1 gold bead through this way, 1 pink, 1 gold, 1 pearl and 1 gold. Now pick up 5 11 of gold beads. through the previous one gold bead in the middle. Now pass through the next one gold bead. Now pick up one pearl, one gold, one green, one gold. Now pass through this one pearl and one gold bead in the very next. Now pass through the next one gold bead. Now pick up one pearl, one gold, one green and one gold bead. Now pass through the one pearl and two gold beads in the very next. Now we have to pick up one pearl, one gold, one pink, one gold, one pink and one gold. Now pass through the one pearl and two gold beads in the very next. Now we have to pick up one pearl, one gold, one green and one gold. Now we have to pass through one pearl and two gold beads in the very next. Now I am stepping up through the next pearl bead. Now pick up one gold, one green and one gold. Now step down through the next pearl bead. Now we have to reach the top one gold bead through this way. I am passing through the pearl, one gold, one pink and one gold. Now we have to make the same component here like this. Now pick up one pink, one gold, one pearl, one gold, one pearl, one gold and one pink. Now pass through the previous one gold bead in the middle. Now pass through the next pink bead. Now pick up one gold, one green and one gold bead and pass through the opposite pink bead. Now we have to step up through the next pink bead. Pick up one gold, one green and one gold bead and pass through the next pink bead. Now we have to reach the top gold bead through this way. I'm going through the pink one and gold, one pearl and one gold. Now pick up 5 11 gold beads and pass through the previous gold one. Pass through the next one gold bead. Repeat the previous step and continue. Now we have to make the closer loop like this. Now we have to pick up one pink, one gold, one green, one gold, one green and one gold, one pink. Now pass through the previous one gold bead in the middle. Now pass through the one pink bead in the very next. Now pick up one gold, one green, one gold and pass through the next pink bead. Now step up through the next pink bead. Now pick up one gold, one green and one gold and pass through the next pink bead. Now we have to reach the top gold bead through this way. I'm passing through the pink one and gold, one green and one gold. Now pick up 3 gold, 1 clasp, 3 gold. Now pass through the previous one gold bead in the middle. Now secure the end with couple knots here. Now cut off the extra tail thread and it's done. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.